JAC Aeon, the high-end intelligent new energy vehicles brand under JAC Group, embodies not only data-driven lean production, but also an uncompromising pursuit of automotive quality. The Paint AI quality control platform is an intelligent paint defect inspection and grinding polishing project jointly developed by JAC Aeon and ISVISION. When a vehicle body enters the station, the body positioning system first takes photos to correct positional deviations. Secondly, a robot equipped with the defect inspection sensor scans the body. The inspection system can identify defects as small as a hair's diameter with a detection rate significantly higher than manual inspection. After inspection, defect data is sent in real time to grinding and polishing robots for automated repairing. Meanwhile, all data is uploaded to data analysis software. Engineers can filter and query the data by time, vehicle model, color, and specific defect information, generate data reports for various process requirements. This function helps identify root causes of problems and supports process optimization. The JAC Aeon's Paint AI quality control platform, empowered by machine vision, driven by data, achieves in-depth integration of technology and production processes, chase for ultimate automotive quality.